Hi, I'm Kavita Ralhan. In this video, I'm going to talk about Lenovo Y540-9GI5 8GB 4X plus 256 SSD laptop. This laptop has functionality with style and performance. It is best suited for everyday use, for your office use, or if you want to do gaming, you want to make presentation. Now you get a good screen size of 15.6 inches which enables you to watch your content with great clarity. It has a ratio of 16:9, and if I talk about the resolution, it offers 1920 by 1080 pixels. You also get IPS screen type and the refresh rate is 60 Hz. Now, if I talk about the brightness, you get 250 nits brightness and it also comes with anti-glare technology. Now, if I talk about the processor that you get is Intel Core i5 9th generation. Processor variant is 9300H. Now, this laptop has a processor speed of 2.4 GHz. It also has a 8GB RAM of DDR4 type, which means you can store multiple files in it, you can do multitasking, and still the processor will be fast. The RAM frequency is 2666 MHz. You can store HDD plus SSD card in it. The capacity of HDD card is 1 TB and SSD card is 256 GB. It has NVIDIA graphic processor and video memory of graphic processor is 4 GB GDDR5. It comes with 4-watt speaker and you can also connect your headphone or microphone with this laptop. Now, if I talk about the ports, then there is USB 2.0 one port and USB 3.1 two ports. You also get one port for HDMI. It has Bluetooth 4.2 and it also has a webcam which is 720 megapixel resolution. Now, the keyboard is full-size white backlit keyboard. The keyboard also has 100% anti-ghosting and it has a good response time. It is a bezeled gaming laptop and there are 4 thermal vents for cooling. It has lithium polymer battery which offers working hours of 52 hours. You can easily work for 52 hours with this good battery. Now, it also has a fast charging. You get this 170 watt AC adapter with this laptop, and you also have 1-year warranty on this Lenovo laptop. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned in for more videos.